Do you know the best first steps you can take in becoming a social media influencer? Well, if not, I'm going to break it down to you right in this video. And most importantly, you've been seeing me talk about success, what it is, and how to get it in the three areas of life that I focus on, which are happiness, health, and wealth. And so let's get into today's video. I am not doing these videos every day. And that's what I wanted to really talk about. Like, what is the best way to start building a social media influence or a brand? I consider it more branding than influence. And what I mean by that is we now live in an opportune time in human history that we know of where your name means something, man. Your name literally has an endless amount of dollar bills attached to it. And it's your job to go out there and get it. Do you think they would really let those videos on there if those videos were true? Like, we have to start using a little bit more common sense. And what I mean by using a little bit more common sense is look at everything from a business perspective. You will never be able to capitalize and make money off of who you are on social media. The key to actually becoming a big brand influencer or a big social media influencer is you need to put in the work. You need to be focused on content creation. Content creation. Focus on content creation. Focus on you just getting better at delivering your messages.